Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your daily energies, guys, we are picking few cards. Before I start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, Sagittarius. So these cards are for your daily energy, Sagittarius. This is for your career situation and this is for your relationship. So I'll start with the relationship card first, guys. So first, before that, for your daily reading, Sagittarius, it's Knight of Suns in reverse, Five of Suns and Six of Suns. So with these cards, guys, for your situation, you are progressing in a positive way today in life, Sagittarius. Things are simply aligning and you are happy. You have that confidence in your heart and you feel that success is coming towards you, and you have that strength and determination to deal with your situation. And you see that in your circumstances, in your family life and in your career, things are moving smoothly, giving you that happiness. And maybe for some of you, you are working towards a family, building a family. Maybe you are having this deep meaningful bond with this person and you want a family with them. You are discussing this a point with them to start a family, have a child together. And I see success in whatever things you do, Sagittarius. Success, happiness, and maybe for some of you there is some kind of good news also coming today, guys. Some unexpected good news is coming in your life today, Sagittarius. It may be a child coming in your life, or it may be someone is having a child. So something very positive I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. Apprentice of Tears in reverse. So with this card in your situation, in this relationship, maybe with this person may be they may be trying to control you on some things. The reasons may be you may be spending too much on certain things that you do not need, maybe some luxurious gifts for them, or something which is not necessary. So they are trying to stop you from that, or trying to advise you on that, and they want to know what you are doing. So they have this caring attitude towards you, but maybe the way they speak or the way they act, it may hurt you in some ways. But I see that this is something minor, guys, something that you need not worry. I see that you are maybe trying to find that you are working in this connection, trying to find this understanding between you both, and you are progressing in a positive way in this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Fool in reverse. With this card in your situation, guys, I see that you are quite careless. Maybe even with the previous card, we saw some kind of worries, maybe carelessly spending without deep thought, some kind of carelessness is there today, guys, that energy. So you have to keep yourself in moderation. If you are taking up something, some choice or some path in your career, all of a sudden you have to just think twice before you act today, guys. Some things good are also happening today, Sagittarius, but maybe some things bad may also come. because of your carelessness. So you need to be really careful, attentive and aware today, Sagittarius. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.